Hey guys, this is your boy MNTBN, up for another episode of Karaoke with the boy. So today's episode of Karaoke with the boy, we are going to sing Ed Sheeran's Baby Happy Yeah Yeah, Baby Happy Yeah Yeah. I really don't know how to sing this song, but so let's start the video. Let's not make this video long. I'm really sorry that my mom is so saba, but the song is starting. Okay, I knew this song. I lost my shoes last night, I don't know where I put my keys. I was tired and fell asleep beneath an oak tree. I bet my mother's proud of me, from each scar up on my knuckle and its grace upon my knee. And all I know is the girl that in the show on his car seat kick me out and then I walk out on the train. Tell myself in every way I won't be doing this again. Tomorrow's a brand new day. Someone told me, always say what's on my mind. I am only being honest with you, I get lonely. Make mistakes from time to time. Here they call, yeah. Baby, yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. And less and mostly things that I regret. In my phone there's several texts from girls I've never met. But my jeans, coins and broken dreams, hearts breaking out the seams. Now I'm coming apart now. Things thinking out. Just past oak tree. They bus in town and spend the afternoon. Look around first and have all the glory. Sorry. No, it's not a brand new day. Someone told me, always say what's on your mind. I am only being honest with you. I get lonely. Make mistakes from time to time. Seeing you, I'm on call, yeah. Baby, heavy, yeah, yeah. Oh no, my, yeah, yeah. Well, 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 no, my, yeah, yeah. I wonder what this means. Yeah, yeah. Well, no, my, yeah, yeah. Well, no, my, yeah, yeah. Okay. Someone told me, always say what's on your mind. I'm not being honest with you. I get lonely. Make mistakes from time to time. Send you my concord, yeah. Woo! Baby, yeah. Baby, yeah, yeah. No, yeah. Okay. Baby, yeah. That's it. It's done. Should I laugh for the song, or should I laugh for myself? That's it. The song's crazy. Now I don't know what to say to this song, and comment down what's your thoughts and opinion to this song. And tell me what song I am going to sing today. So this is your boy MNTBN signing off for this video. If you like this video, give a thumbs up. Tweet me at the boy MNTBN, and what else? Bye.